What's the deal with your name? You said you changed.
Yeah, my name used to be Jimmy, but now it's Doorbell.
Why is it Doorbell? Why do I have so many weird friends with so many weird names?
I'm not sure, but I don't know why I changed my... I don't know, it's because when I was a little boy, every time when someone came and ringed at the door, I would always yell, Doorbell! So I just changed my name to that when I was a little boy.
This sounds like a made-up story.
It's not really, but it actually is true. When I was little, I was pretty stupid.
Yeah. You want some tapatio?
Nah, I'm good.
Okay, good, because if you said yes, I was going to eat it anyways. I'm addicted to it.
Even though your channel is actually sponsored by Tapatio. Good job.
Huh? I forgot I'm supposed to open this first.
It's not like it's going to open itself anyways.
Hey!
Sorry, this is like the only thing I'm actually weird about. Tapatio.
Yes.
Hey guys, you want to buy a candy jar?
That girl was pretty high pitched. I don't know. Alright. Well, I guess I now know the true meaning of your name and you know the true meaning of Tapatio.
Yes, I do. Why don't you get some ramen noodles?
Yeah, let's go get some ramen noodles.